Welcome my viewers and subscribers. I am your instructor Mazi Pascal. In today's training, I'm going to teach us how to produce gloss oil or wood paint. Gloss paint is widely used because of its shining and attractive surface properties that's so durable that it can be used both in interior and exterior painting. Oil paint is a slow drying paint that consists of particles of pigments in a drying oil. The pigments, that is the colors, both pearls and oxides, must be light-proof, insoluble and chemically inert. So now we are going to look into the chemicals needed in gloss, oil or wood paint production. In this training, I'm going to explain them components by components. These components are binders, solvents, additives, and pigments. Then we're taking binders. Acid resin serves as binders or film former in gloss, oil or wood paint production. This is a long-chain polymer made by reacting a vegetable oil like soybean or linseed oil with an alcohol and an organic acid. During production, the resin is dissolved in an aliphatic petroleum solvent so that it can be spread easily. When this resin evaporates, the oxygen of the air interacts with the resin, which results in formation of cross-links between the polymer molecules and produces a strong dry film. The next is solvents. The solvent here in gloss oil paint production can be kerosene or fuel. This solvent is used in mixing or dissolving the acid resin. I prefer using the two, kerosene and fuel. Reason is because kerosene has high spreading rate and also it serves as a rising agent in gloss paint production. Then on fuel, it has good drying properties. Then we are taking additives. Additives are the dryers and anti-skinning agents. The dryers and the drying agents used in production of gloss, oil or wood paint. When I say drying, I mean a chemical reaction that produces an organic plastic, which occurs through free radical chemical cross-linking of oils, which promotes free radical antioxidation of oils with air. These dryers are dried from ions of cobalt, manganese in iron, prepared as salts of naphthenic acids, in order to give them a soap-like chemical formula and make them soluble in oil. In this training, we'll be using lead dryer, cobalt dryer or mixed dryer. Cobalt dryer is the most preferred. It's compatible only with certain darker pigmented paints like black, orange, green, blue, ash, or red, because cobalt dryer is a deep blue purple in color. It can hinder the brightness of lighter pigmented paints. So I'm going to use lead dryer on colors like cream, white, off-white, and other paints. Then we look into the next additives, anti-skinning agent. Anti-skinning is the premature hardening of paint, so the anti-skinning agent forms a skin on the surface of the paint. The last but not the least is pigments. Pigments are liquid or powder substances that is mixed with a liquid in which is relatively insoluble and used especially to impact color to coating materials. Simply put, in paint production, pigments are the colorants used. It might be oxides, that is powdered, or paste, that is liquid. Thank you for watching. If you need practical videos, you can chat me on WhatsApp with +234 8039 316369. You can also order for our well-compiled ebook, which contains steps, formula, measurement, and procedures on how to produce emulsion, textured, gloss, oil or wood paint, matte, silk, satin paint, screening bonds, or wall putty. Thanks.